Hello, welcome to CES and to GM's Exhibit Zero. At General Motors, our vision for the future is a world with zero crashes, zero emissions, and zero congestion. The key to unlock that vision is electrification, starting with the advances in technology that are helping accelerate our vision and the GM Ultium platform.
Ultium is the world's first hyperscale electrical vehicle platform with the power to make almost any vehicle an electric vehicle. This will be the best large format cells in the industry, optimized to provide sufficient power for multiple vehicle designs. And we manufacture those cells in-house as part of a joint venture with LG Chem. The cells will produce 60% more energy capacity than our existing electrical battery cells, and use a flat rectangular pouch design that reduces the space between cells and can be stacked more efficiently into modules for higher energy density in a smaller space. We can use 6, 8, 10, or double stack up to 24 modules in a single pack, depending on the power requirements of the vehicle. The end result of all these innovations is a battery that will produce up to 450 miles of range on a single charge. We'll combine all these innovations with an incredibly flexible propulsion system called Ultium Drive, which uses 5 interchangeable drive units to deliver front, rear, or all-wheel drive from a single system.
We want to reimagine the whole concept of vehicle ownership and driving. And we're calling that reimagined experience Ultify. Ultify is a promise of a more personal EV experience, putting you in control. The vehicle intelligence platform gives us the ability to deliver over-the-air updates to your vehicle. You should expect both ongoing free updates as well as opportunities to purchase premium content and feature upgrades. And at the centre of it all will be the all-new mobile app experiences. My Cadillac, My Chevrolet, My GMC and My Buick, all coming in spring. These apps provide a remote control for your vehicle that will continually evolve and advance over time. Super Cruise is the industry's first truly hands-free driving assistance system. We're bringing Super Cruise to 22 GM vehicles by 2023, including Chevrolet Bolt EUV. The Chevrolet Bolt EUV will share the original Bolt's reputation for fun, functionality and purposeful technology, and will be the first Chevrolet and GM's first EV to feature Super Cruise driving, making one of our most advanced technologies accessible to even more drivers.
Now, over the next 5 years, General Motors will introduce 30 new EVs globally, representing a range of options, whatever your priorities. That includes the refreshed Chevrolet Bolt EV and the new Bolt EUV, both in dealerships by this summer. Buick is now entering its 3rd decade in China, the world's largest EV market, and will build on the growing popularity in China of the Buick Velite family of electric vehicles with 3 new Ultium-powered EVs, adding a new crossover and SUVs to the lineup, including 2 you see in the distance behind me.
A great deal has been said about the GMC Hummer EV since it was first unveiled in October. The irony of introducing Hummer as an EV is not lost on us. 2 things in particular I want to share with you that we haven't really talked about before: terrain mode 1-pedal driving and the Bose electric vehicle sound enhancement technology. In terrain mode, the GMC Hummer EV offers 1-pedal driving for precision handling at low speeds while off-roading and rock crawling. It combines the fine control of the immediate torque provided by the EV propulsion system and the friction brakes to deliver a level of modulation that is beyond anything we could deliver from a gas or diesel-powered engine. Watts to Freedom mode builds an entire experience around that 0 to 60 sprint. The double press of the traction control button triggers a request to acknowledge you are about to do something special. Acknowledgement causes the vehicle to lower and the battery electronics temperatures to be optimized in preparation for full power delivery. The driver coach tells you to apply the brake as the seat and the subwoofer start to shake. Then you apply the accelerator, and once you reach the required levels, you let the brake go and hold on. But how do you create the sensory explosion to accompany motors turned up to 11? We worked with Bose. Bose electric vehicle sound enhancement technology makes its debut in the GMC Hummer EV. It incorporates guitar riffs, high-frequency feedback, and inspiration from Formula E Motorsports to communicate the sensation of power and torque that you've unlocked in Watts to Freedom. It is a truly immersive sensory experience that brings you in direct contact with your vehicle, and we can't wait to share it with you later this year.
The Lyriq is an uncompromising SUV, the embodiment of Cadillac innovation and a showcase of technologies you will see repeated over future Cadillac EVs. And while we've announced that the GMC Hummer EV will leverage Epic Games' Unreal Engine used to make Fortnite in this keynote, we can announce that we will also be using the technology in the Cadillac Lyriq to bring display information to life in engaging 3D perspective. That layering of technology continues into the dual-plane augmented reality heads-up display that incorporates navigation directly into your field of view.
If the Cadillac Lyriq is the new face of Cadillac innovation, I want to introduce its ultimate expression, the all-new Cadillac Celestiq. The result is a dramatic presence with a low profile and rearward proportions. And with all-wheel drive, four-wheel steering, and a full glass roof, it celebrates the extraordinary. That roof will be our first to feature 4-quadrant suspended particle device smart glass, allowing each occupant of the vehicle to set their own level of transparency, while the tint of the glass colors to match the ambiance and the mood of the interior. That equal and individual experience for each occupant will be a signature aspect of the Cadillac Celestiq. The driver and front seat passenger enjoy a pillar-to-pillar display that brings the outside inside. We can't wait to reveal more soon.
Now let me introduce you to the Cadillac Halo portfolio. This is a design concept that provides a social space for a group of friends or family to spend time together on their way to a destination. The vertical light signature is choreographed to greet and draw passengers inside. The expansive glass roof keeps the group connected to the outside, but encourages eyes to turn inside to focus on one another and personal well-being. The vertical takeoff and landing drone, or VERTOL, is GM's first foray into aerial mobility. We are preparing for a world where advances in electric and autonomous technology make personal air travel possible. You've been at the office and now you need to get to a meeting across town. The VERTOL meets you on the roof and drops you at the vertiport closest to your destination. It uses a 90 kilowatt-hour EV motor to power 4 rotors, as well as air-to-air and air-to-ground communications, and is a glimpse of what autonomy and Cadillac luxury might look like in the not-too-distant future. Each concept reflecting the needs and wants of the passengers at a particular moment in time, and GM's vision of the future of transportation.
I'm pleased to announce BrightDrop, a new business from General Motors that reimagines commercial delivery and logistics for an all-electric future. BrightDrop provides an ecosystem of smart, connected products, including electric vehicles and software-enabled services, offering commercial delivery companies a platform for sustainable growth.
It starts with the BrightDrop EP1, an electric-propelled pallet that helps reduce the time and physical effort required for couriers to get goods from the delivery van to the front door. The EP1's electric motor makes it easier for couriers to move around. Then, of course, we have the all-new BrightDrop EV600 electric van. The BrightDrop EV600 will be built on the Ultium platform using the same high-energy modular architecture and is targeted to provide up to 250 miles of range. The first EV600s will be delivered towards the end of this year. A number of BrightDrop concepts are being explored, such as a medium-distance solution that transports multiple EP1s, and a rapid load delivery concept designed to load and unload EP1s on and off the vehicle with ease.
We're also planning to add to our existing electric vehicle fleet by partnering with BrightDrop to introduce the EV600s to our lineup. We are the first company slated to receive the EV600, pictured here behind me.
Thank you for your time.